Alright, boys and girls, welcome to BURNA Boy and Higher. This is Gordon Guitar now. So, we're gonna look at this BURNA Boy's Higher song, and it has a great message. He lifts his people up higher. So, we're gonna look how, and we're gonna look at the musical aspect of it. We have 4 chords, and a strumming pattern, I believe, work for this song. But first, always the chords. And like you see here, you have the no need for any capo. Okay, we're going clean. So we're gonna look at the chords immediately without any capo, starting with A minor. And that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the next chord C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G next, and that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the final chord is F. So that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the first fret, you bar all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. Alright, so let's take a look at the strumming pattern that I would choose if I would play this song. You can go different routes there, but that is what I would work with. And if you grab the first chord, the A minor, and we're gonna play in the same way through the entire song, so it will be the same chord progression here. Starting with A minor, one string around will be down, down, clap, down. Okay, so 2 downs, a clap, and a down. A couple of rounds of it goes. Something like that. All right, so let's go into the chord progression, and we have A minor for 3 string rounds, and then after that we have these 3 notes that transport us to the next chord, and the notes will be open A, third E in the bass, and third A. So A minor, 3 string rounds plus these 3 notes, it will be like this. Okay, and that third A gives us a starting point for the next chord, which is the C. Okay, so the third A, you land here, and you just add the next 2 fingers like this, and you got the C chord, and you're just gonna play 4 string rounds of C. Then you switch to G, and you're gonna play 3 string rounds of G. Then after that, you're gonna play 3 notes again in the same way as you played A minor, but now the 3 notes will be, okay, so that is third on E string in the bass, then open A, and first fret E string. So it goes like this. Okay, and that first fret E string takes us to the next chord, which is the F. And yeah, these notes, if you just bar everything there when you play the first fret E string, you had a starting point of the F chord. Okay, so it works very smoothly here with the chord switches. And this final F, you're gonna play just for 4 string rounds, and that ends everything. And that's it. That's 1 round. You're gonna play like this from the beginning till the very end. So I'm gonna take you through this. I'm gonna take down the tempo just a little bit to understand what's going on, and it sounds like this. Alright guys, so that is BURNA Boy's Higher. Give it a try. I really enjoy to do my tutorials here, but I also want the motivation to go on, so feel free to support me here. It's very nice to see this channel and family grow, so we can do that together. Give me a like on this one, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and see you next time. Play tuned.